Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Desert Migrage outfit in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, for the hairstyles, you can choose this hairstyles and you're going to color it with this black color. And the next one, I'm going to go to the top area. It's right here, and then I'm going to select this top, this one, and then I'm going to color it with the black color. Okay, just make it black for the first and also the second selection. Okay, and then I'm going to select the sleeves and I'm going to change the toggle to 3. Okay, and for the color I'm just going to make it black. All right, and the next one I'm going to put on this shoes, and then I'm going to color it with this brown color for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm just going to make it black, and then I'm going to make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this area and I'm going to choose this mesh and I'm going to make it thick. All right, and I'm going to choose this tucking and I'm going to change the toggle to this one, and then I'm going to make it black for the first selection and also the next selection. All right, and then I'm going to put on this item as well. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to select this item, this one guys. Okay, and I'm going to color it with this brown color, and I'm going to select the mask as well and make it this brown color for the first and also the second selection. Okay, the next one guys, I'm going to put on this pant, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the changing room and then I'm going to choose one of the items from there. I'm going to choose wait. Okay, I'm going to select this dress and then I'm going to choose the skirt only. And for this one, I'm going to color it with the brown color, the same brown color, so it can match my mask and my other outfits. Okay, guys? And this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create Desert, Migrage, and Dress and Press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!